That was 2 months ago now. I did them back to back on a Friday and a Monday. I was told it was no guarantee that they'd be able to do the Monday one unless I was absolutely perfect what they expected on Saturday. But I rolled over on Saturday morning and looked at my clock and it was like, wow! Just with one eye. 2 months since my surgery, I'm all done with the rounds of drops. And the things that I'm seeing that I didn't realize that I had lost over the years are just amazing. My vision's great. I can sit down, I can read. I brought a magazine with me to the waiting room to wait for my appointment today. I was having no problem reading it. I've been 15 years or more with progressive lenses, and it was tip my head this way, tip my head that way, and get it into focus. And what I have found is that I'm not looking at the ground all the time because I'm not wearing progressive glasses, so I can see where I'm going. We went from the theater to the Chinatown last weekend. I was seeing signs I'd never seen before. I was asking my wife if those were new signs, and she says, no, you're just busy looking at the ground. Instead, I'm now looking at everything again. It's great. Safely driving without glasses. Reading without glasses. I don't even have glasses. When my eyes get tired, I need a little bit of magnification sometimes to tell 6s and 8s apart when it's small print. I can see everything everywhere. It's spectacular. I'm in the supermarket and they have the big signs at the front of the aisle that tell you what's in that aisle, but then they have little hang signs that tell you where the specifics are. And I'm reading the little hang signs down at the far end of the aisle in the supermarket. Now, granted, when you walk up to them, they're fairly big signs, but if you're all the way at the other end of the supermarket, I'm reading those little hang signs. This is as good or even better than when I was a kid, because I'm having a great time. We're going hiking again, and I'm looking up into the trees instead of looking at the ground to make sure I don't trip. And I'm seeing into the woods. I'm picking out the smaller animals in their camouflage, because I can see and focus in the distance, and I can bring it in close, and I can see mid-range. It's spectacular.